Namaste children. Welcome to Social Science online classes. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, respecting regional differences. You know, India is a very vast country and it has 28 states and 8 union territories. People living in different regions of our country have different food habits, dresses, languages, religions, customs and traditions. India is a land of unity in diversity. People from different cultures live in complete harmony with each other. The understanding and respect for the food habits, languages, culture, faith, and beliefs of others have made Indian culture rich and unique. In this chapter, we will discuss about the diversity in Indian culture. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We will learn the dress, food habits, different languages, religions, customs, and traditions of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's a group of islands, 572 islands in the Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital city of this island, and in these only 38 islands are inhabited. The inhabitants are 6 group of tribals. They are the Great Andamanese, the Jaravas, the Sentinelese, the Ongis, the Nicobaris, and the Shompenes. They maintain their customs and traditions and live in harmony with nature. In olden days, the islanders lived in caves, tree houses, or thatched huts. During the British rule, some buildings were made in the islands. The cellular jail, most well-known building, as many freedom fighters were jailed here. The popular crafts of Andaman and Nicobaris are palm mats, wooden showpieces, cane, and bamboo wall hangings. Food habits. In earlier times, all tribals of these islands were hunters, but now seafood is quite popular here, like fish, crabs, lobsters, and prawns. Now, islanders are mingled with the other part of India. We can see a great variety of food items here. We can see North Indian food, South Indian food, and Bengali cuisines everywhere. Rice is a staple diet of the islanders. The main crops grown in the island are vegetables, fruits like banana, mangoes, sapota, papaya, etc. Pulses, oil seeds, coconut, areca nut, pineapple, and cashew. Spices like pepper, clove, nutmeg, and cinnamon. These form important ingredients of the food of the islanders. Dress. The earlier times, the tribals did not wear any clothes. They roamed naked everywhere. The Sentinelese tribes do not wear clothes even now. The Shompenes use clothes only below their waist. But many tribals have now started wearing clothes. The Jaravas use a lot of jewelry to adorn their body. They use necklaces, waistbands are made of shells and barks of trees. Religion. The Nicobar Islanders follow the religion animism. The followers of animism believes in souls, ghosts, and spirits. The people believe that the earlier times their deity Palgoa resided at the highest mountain peak of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. But now they believe the deity live higher up in the sky. Now many people follow Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism in the island. Dance and music. The islanders celebrate most Indian festivals like Durga Puja, Pongal, Onam, Mahashivaratri, Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, and Good Friday with dance and music. Nicobari dance is the traditional dance of Andamanis. They can be Nicobari dance can be seen during the Oshwari feast, commonly known as the Pig Festival. The dancers move gracefully to the music and songs. Languages. The most common languages in Andaman and Nicobar Islands are Hindi and English today. People speak Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Marathi, Kannada, Oriya, Gujarati, and Karen. The Karen language has a Burmese script and alphabets. The harmonious blend of different religion, language, and ethnic group has made the Andaman and Nicobar Islands famous as Mini India.